Welcome back to Auto Fashion, your ultimate destination for luxury and performance car content. If you're a true car enthusiast, you're in for a real treat today because we're diving into one of the most breathtaking supercars of the future, the 2025 Maserati MC20. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment below to let us know which car you'd like to see next on Auto Fashion. Your support keeps us rolling and helps us bring you the hottest car content from around the world. Now let's talk about the beauty, power, and precision of the 2025 Maserati MC20. Maserati has gone all out to redefine Italian performance with this stunner. The MC20 is not just a sports car, it's a symbol of speed, luxury, and innovation. At its heart is a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, known as the Nettuno, delivering an impressive 621 horsepower and 730 Nm of torque. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of over 325 km per hour, making it one of the fastest cars Maserati has ever built. The MC20 features an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, giving you total control. Inside, the cabin is minimalistic yet luxurious. You get a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster and a 10.2-inch infotainment display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice command features. The MC20 also features premium leather, Alcantara upholstery, and carbon fiber accents, creating a cockpit that feels like a jet fighter's cabin. It's designed for the driver, everything is within reach, and every detail screams performance. When it comes to handling, Maserati's engineering ensures that the MC20 delivers sharp steering, exceptional grip, and a balanced ride thanks to the adaptive suspension and lightweight chassis. Whether you're drifting through tight corners or blasting down a straight, this car responds like a dream. It also includes 4 driving modes: GT, Sport, Corsa, and Wet, letting you adapt the car's performance to your driving needs. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Maserati MC20 is expected to start at around $250,000, depending on customization options and region. Yes, it's a premium car, but what you get in return is a masterclass in design, engineering, and performance. It's the kind of car that turns heads, thrills the senses, and truly defines automotive excellence. Thanks for watching this video on Auto Fashion. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We've got more amazing car content coming your way, and we'd love to hear which car you want us to feature next.